Hi everybody, it's Lynn with Elias Family Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you my secret sauce for everyday Chinese cooking. This sauce only requires 3 ingredients and takes 30 seconds to make. You can use it as a sauce in stir fries or as a marinade. I'll show you how to make the sauce, how to make a sweet version of it and a spicy version of it, and then I'll show you examples of dishes you can make with it. This sauce is so versatile that you can use it in almost any stir fry. So let's get started. Here's what you need for the sauce. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, try to get the premium good ones, and 1 tablespoon of water. That's all you need. So what you do is that, simply mix it all together. And then mix it all up. And it's done. To make everyday cooking even easier, I would make a big batch of this and put it in a bottle. You can store it in the fridge for up to a month. Just remember the ratio is 2, 1, and 1, and you can scale it up or down easily. To make it spicy, simply add a tablespoon of sriracha sauce. You can definitely adjust the amount of sriracha sauce based on your own taste preference. And then so just add that in and then mix it all up. And you have a spicy sauce. Now, what about chili oil? If you like chili oil, don't mix it in with the sauce. Chili oil burns easily when you cook, so it should be added to the dish after you're done cooking, right before serving. To make a sweet version of this, all you have to do is to add a teaspoon of sugar. So to make the sweet version, I would start with 1 tablespoon of hot water and use that to dissolve the sugar first. Once all the sugar is dissolved, and then add the soy sauce and the oyster sauce. And mix it all up again. Unlike plain soy sauce, the addition of oyster sauce brings a deeper umami flavor and richness to your dishes. This sauce is great for everyday cooking when you want a quick and easy meal without having to follow a complicated recipe. To use this sauce as a marinade for stir frying, simply drizzle a little over the meat along with some cornstarch and mix well. Sauté the meat first and then add aromatics and vegetables. Finishing with another drizzle of sauce to taste. This method works beautifully with all proteins, including chicken, beef, pork, and seafood. It also works well in tofu, vegetables, or rice and noodle dishes, as well as steamed dishes such as steamed pork ribs or fish. You can easily change the flavors of your dishes by switching up ingredients in stir fries, or add sesame oil for nutty flavor or chili oil for some heat. Happy cooking! Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.